All right, problem 3 right here has a whole bunch of words on it, so I want you to try your best to listen as best you can. And if you want to, you can even listen to me read this first problem right here and then go complete it, and then come back and have me listen to you, listen to me read the second part and then go complete it. And remember, you can always go back and forth if you need to hear me read something again, okay? 3A says, circle the attributes that are used to describe all cylinders. So that means you're going to circle the sentences that are true about all cylinders in the world. Remember, an example of a cylinder is like a thing of chapstick, a little chapstick tube, or a coffee cup. Let me show you an example. Kind of like a coffee cup without the handle, right? This is a cylinder, or a can of soda. Okay, so that's a cylinder. This said cylinders can roll. So if you think all cylinders can roll, you'll circle it. The next one says cylinders are hollow. That word hollow means empty inside. They just have something around the edge, but nothing inside. Cylinders are made of paper. And cylinders have two flat surfaces made of circles or ovals. So cylinders can roll. Cylinders are hollow or empty inside. All cylinders are made of paper. And cylinders have two flat surfaces made of circles or ovals. So you can pause the video and go circle the ones that you think are true about all cylinders in the world, and then come back for B. All right, excuse me, here is B. Circle the attributes that are used to describe all rectangular prisms. So remember, a rectangular prism is, I'll show you an example, okay? Here's an example of a rectangular prism. I think that's the only one. Oh, here's another example of a rectangular prism, okay? Listen, rectangular prisms can roll. The faces of a rectangular prism are rectangles. Rectangular prisms have 6 faces, and rectangular prisms are made of wood. Again, you're going to circle the ones that you think are true about all rectangular prisms. They can roll. The faces of a rectangular prism are rectangles. Rectangular prisms have 6 faces, and rectangular prisms are made of wood.